Ask most young renters today, and they will tell you that while they'd like to own a home, saving for the down payment is harder than ever. High home prices, steep levels of student debt have seen to that. So what if you could get others to help you, like crowdfund your down payment? Diana Olick takes a look at this new way to buy a home with no money down of your own.
Today's young Americans are more social, more willing to share. But will they help each other buy homes? That is the bet one mortgage lender is banking on as it launches the first program allowing potential home buyers to crowdfund their down payments.
This allows you to tell your story. It allows for folks to be able to buy in to the story of what it is you have, your loan story, your home story. And one of the things our tagline is fund your way home.
CMG Financial, a mortgage lender, is launching HomeFundMe. It's an online platform that gives homebuyers a way to both market their needs and receive multiple tax-free cash gifts from anyone to finance the down payment on a home. Previously, lenders limited down payment assistance to close family members, employers, nonprofits, and religious organizations, all with significant documentation. This pilot program has the blessing of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which finance the vast majority of mortgages today.
What we're doing today is we're trying to test and learn a variety of solutions because the preferences for today's homebuyers have changed significantly, and there's no silver bullet to solving a problem that's as hard as how do you find a down payment.
Millennials are not only saddled with high levels of student loan debt, they're also paying very high rents, which makes saving harder. But they're also starting to get married and have children.
Of course, we see the wedding registries. You're going to spend $250 on a coffee making machine. If that $250 goes to a down payment of your home, at the very least, I improve your quality of life.
One red flag in the plan is skin in the game. If you're crowdfunding your down payment and then using a mortgage, are you really invested in the home? No down payment loans were blamed for the last housing crisis when home prices plummeted and thousands of borrowers defaulted on their loans and even walked away because they had nothing to lose.
Skin in the game is a little bit of a confusing concept. If you pay for your closing costs, is that skin in the game? Is it really down payment? Would you rather have somebody have a lot of money in the bank after they buy the home and no down payment, or the opposite? And so we still have a lot of questions and a lot to learn when it comes to the role of down payment.
And that's why this is just a test program to see not only if the crowd is willing to fund home buying, but also if homeowners see that gift for all it's worth. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.